How to save battery on Windows. Here are some easy ways to save battery on your Windows device. First, turn off Bluetooth when you're not using it. You can do this from the Quick Settings panel or by going to Settings/Bluetooth and Devices and switching Bluetooth off. Next, close apps that are running in the background. Right-click the Start button and open Task Manager. Under the Processes tab, look for apps you're not currently using. Right-click the app and select End Task to stop it from consuming battery power. Just make sure you don't close important Windows system processes. Another helpful step is to use the recommended power mode. Open the control panel, then select Power Options. Choose the Balanced Power Plan. On newer versions of Windows 11, you can also go to Settings/System/Power and Battery and set the power mode to Best Power Efficiency for even better battery life. You can also reduce your screen brightness and enable Battery Saver when your battery starts running low. These two settings can significantly extend your battery life. Finally, keep your Windows laptop updated, as system updates often include battery and performance improvements. And that's it. Those are some simple ways to save battery and make your Windows laptop last longer. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Windows tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials.